know where they're going. A nice house. Wrong turn. Here.
You want to try some?
Yeah, we're coming. Yeah, Mike, unstrap your seat up. No, you gotta get out of the car. What you mean? Can you stay in the car? Let's go, Mike. Unstrap, please. Blue, get out. Oh, because I guess we enter from the other side.
Turn right. Little rock base. Side of the
Right-hand side of the right-hand side.
right back. This, yeah.
Right-hand side.
Um,
Opposite Prime Road closed in the area.
Wasn't it further down how we saw it on?
This is the house.
This is it? Oh.
It's the house right there.
That's the house on the picture. Oh, it looks a oh because the person took another way.
yes, this is the
Yeah. Got
when
it.
it was
Okay.
no, it was bush. It no bush,
Okay. Got it. Okay.
but
Hello. Thank you.
over there.
The houses will be built over there. Okay. This is the land as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Ma- huh? No, not at all. Not at all. Oh no, I'm just recording. Max, stop scratching. From there
And
and where you standing?
yes.
Okay. Lots of rock.
Yes. From there. From that column
Yeah, to where Marlon was standing or all the way to the
Yes.
end?
to the end.
End of the vehicle or where
Yeah.
the concrete was? The end of the grass.
Yes.
So it's from where? What the way?
From here in line with the
With the flowers.
yes. Go straight down to
To the end where the bushes.
yeah.
Okay, so around here. Okay.
How far back? So like here, right? It's nice, right? And how deep is it?
So right
They don't want nobody come in, come hide, I don't come up a contact.
Right.
What is meter here now?
This looks good. I like this, Mr. Clark.
This open here.
This clip somebody else.
Yes.
Yeah, I know. But the meter now, put that in a go over here. So at least that's at least, that can move. The water meter.
This now belong to your lot.
Oh, that be, okay. Because, because
Okay.
it's in the land of the
Right.
nice one.
It's nice. So let me go put on my walking shoes, my boots. Hold this.
They are good on me now.
Yeah, why not? We can.
Good on me
No?
now.
We can take a little walk.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see.
This is right there.
Over there. Yeah. The
Yes,
sea's
right
over
there
there.
across the street.
Yeah.
I love that.
Sea breeze. I'm
Need
feeling the
this
sea
right here.
breeze.
This is what I need right here.
It's nice.
Perfect. This is perfect, man.
Guys, be careful. Pay attention. Dog skull. Look at dog skull. Wow. Look at the animal skull. Pay attention to where you're walking now. Don't pick any. Look where you're walking, Blue. You know, Marlon, hold this. I'm gonna go get my boots.
How much is gonna cost us to clear this up? Okay. It's available, I'm getting this.
Pardon
If I could get this, I'm gonna get it.
Pardon me?
So if I could get this, I'm getting it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to ride this? So if I go pay you, I got this, gotta go pay you now. Somebody gonna put up something right here.
Yeah.
They gonna block me.
Block your view?
Yeah, they might. Yes, I have to go pay you now.
Enough above them.
Yeah. This is nice, man. So like I said, that's what they call it rock more because of the rocks.
Yeah.
The trees are not look too bad to clear them.
No.
It's not like no gigantic trees or nothing
No,
like that. It's
no,
some simple
no.
small trees. man.
Yeah.
That's the holes and stuff. That's the picker, okay? Them thing is picker. Them thing right here, these is picker trees. They curl up when you touch them.